Coming to next question, 12th one. Determinant of 1 by A, 1 by B, 1 by C, A square BC, B square CA, AC square AB. I will do one thing. First row I will multiply by A. Second row I have to multiply by B. Third row I will multiply by C. See here. Multiply and divide by A. First row you have to multiply to A and dividing by A outside. A by A square into A cube, A into BC, ABC. Third row I will multiply by B, so you can outside you have to write 1 by B into 1 by B, B into B square B cube, AC into B, ABC. Third row you can multiply by C, so divide by C outside, C by C, C cube, ABC. First row you have to multiply by A, multiply chestunnavu divide by A cheyandi without loss of generality. Second row ki B multiply cheyandi, outside divide by B cheyandi. Third row ki you have to multiply by C, outside you have to divide by C. So 1 by ABC. What is the common element in the third row? Sorry, what is the common element in third column? ABC. So ABC take outside. ABC by denominator already A into B into C, ABC. So we have first row contain 1, 1, 1, third row also 1, 1, 1. ABC taken outside. Remaining A cube, B cube, C cube. If two columns are equal, then the value of determinant is 0. Learn the properties of determinant. ఆ వీడియోని 2-3 times చూడండి. Copy the both problems. Coming to next question, Anna. A is a 3 by 3 matrix is given. Delta of A square equal to 25. The given delta of A square equal to 25. Delta of A square means delta A whole square equal to 25. Obviously delta A equal to either plus or minus 5. Delta A means what do you get? 5 alpha. A is a matrix is given 0 alpha 5 alpha 0 0 5 equal to 5 half. Delta A square value is 25. Then obviously delta A equal to 5 you can take it either plus or minus 5 or 5 you have to take it plus or minus 5, otherwise you can take plus or minus 5. Okay, Nana? Now coming to they are asking the mod alpha. Modulus is always gives a positive quantity. Modulus of alpha gives always positive. That is the reason you taken the plus only. Okay na? Now coming to you can observe that the three elements are 0. Means principal below the diagonal elements. Below of the diagonal element. Diagonal elements kinda ఏమున్నాయి all elements 0 ఉన్నాయి. So principal diagonal elements below అనే 0 ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి obviously this is the upper triangular matrix. Upper triangular matrix. So the determinant of the triangle matrix means product of the principal diagonal elements. The determinant of the triangle matrix is product of the principal diagonal elements. So that is a 5 into alpha into 5. 5 into alpha into 5 equal to plus or minus 5. 25 alpha equal to plus or minus 5 by 5 into 5 25, that is a plus or minus 1 by 5. Now let's see to find the determinant. Directly this is the upper triangular matrix. The determinant of the triangular matrix is the product of the diagonal elements. So product of the diagonal elements are 5 into alpha into 5 equal to plus or minus 5. Alpha value is what? Plus or minus 1 by 5. They asked to find mod alpha. Mod alpha means modulus of plus or minus 1 by 5. Modulus of positive quantity is plus. Modulus of negative quantity is also plus 1 by 5. Is the answer. Copy it. Coming to next question. A comma B comma C all are different. That means A not equal to B not equal to C. That means A minus B not equal to 0, B minus C not equal to 0, C minus A not equal to 0. This condition is given. Now coming to determinant value equal to 0 is given. The determinant you can first row you can observe. You have to observe the first row. Every element contains sum of two elements. Every element have sum of two elements. So the determinant can be expressed as a sum of two determinants equal to 0. Again I am repeating. First row contains sum of two elements here. First row contains sum of two elements. So this determinant can be expressed as a sum of two determinants. In the two determinants, second row and third row is same. A, B, C, AQ, BQ, CQ. Here also A, B, C, AQ, BQ, CQ. In the first determinant, first elements will come, that is a 1, 1, 1. Second determinant, second elements are will come A square, B square, C square. So first determinant, don't disturb the first determinant. Already we proved the value in the first in the intermediate. Place. What is the first row column common element? A got take outside. Remaining ASK, A1, ASK. In the second elements B got take common. B1, BSK. In the third column C common. First column A common. Second column B got take it. Third column C take outside. Remaining C1, CSK equal to 0. First determinant value we know very well. What is the first determinant value in the IP you did? AB. What is the first determinant value here? Delta 1 A 1. First determinant value here A plus B plus C into A minus B, B minus C, C minus A. This is determinant value. Plus A B C into second determinant value A minus B, B minus C, C minus A equal to 0. In the both, what is the common letter here? Interchange row and column. See this one. Directly written. Interchange the second determinant, you have to interchange R2 and R1. Then plus becomes a minus. Plus becomes a minus, will get. So 1, 1, 1. A, B, C, AQ, BQ, CQ. Minus A, B, C into. First row come 1, 1, 1. A, B, C, A square, B square, C square equal to 0. So first determinant value have A plus B plus C into A minus B into B minus C into C minus A. Minus A, B, C into second determinant value have A minus B into B minus C into C minus A equal to 0. What is the common you have? A minus B into B minus C into C minus A, take outside. Remaining A plus B plus C minus A, B, C equal to 0. This part is not equal to 0. Since already starting only A minus B value not equal to 0, B minus C value not equal to 0, C minus A value not equal to 0. So this is not equal to 0 means obviously A plus B plus C minus A, B, C equal to 0. Then A plus B plus C value is A, B, C have. Copy it. Now if you have the doubt, you can make a call to me. I will explain personally about the problems. మీకు ఏమైనా డౌట్ ఉందంటే డైరెక్ట్గా కాల్ చేయండి, నేను పర్సనల్గా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను, మీకు లైవ్ క్లాస్ చెప్తాను అప్పుడు. Coming to next question, two questions are same model nana. This determinant equal to 1/4 degree equation in terms of lambda is given. Delta of lambda square plus 3 lambda, lambda minus 1, lambda plus 3, lambda plus 1, 2 minus lambda, 4 minus lambda minus 4, lambda minus 3, lambda plus 4, 3 lambda equal to what is given? P lambda power 4 plus q into lambda q plus r into lambda square plus x into lambda plus t is given. Then they ask him to find the value of t. They ask him to find the value of t. T is the constant in the fourth degree term. T is the constant in the fourth degree term. So you have to find the value of constant. Left hand side determined, you have to simplify. We get the fourth degree lambda equation in terms of lambda. Fourth degree in terms of lambda we get. And that they ask him the constant value. Whenever you want to find the constant means directly you can take both sides lambda equal to 0. Put lambda equal to 0, you have to take it. Then right side term p into 0 plus q into 0 plus r into 0 plus s into 0 plus t equal to delta of 0 plus 0, 0, 0 minus 1, 0 plus 3, 0 plus 1, 2 minus 0, 0 minus 4, 0 minus 3, 0 plus 4, 0. Yeah. So finally t equal to delta of 0 minus 1 3, 1 2 minus 4, minus 3 4 0. Determinant you have to find 0 in something 0. Middle element you can take the opposite plus 1 into closer or closed column. What is it again? 1 into 0 0 minus 12 plus 3 into closer or closed column. 4 into 1 4 plus 6. So obviously t equal to minus 12, 6 plus 4 10, 10 3 is 30. 30 minus 12 is how much? 18. 18 is the answer. Copy it. Coming to next question, also same model nana. One determined value in terms of x is given a into x power 4 plus bx cube plus cx square plus dx plus c is an identity in x. Then find the value of e. Directly can take put x equal to 0. Since the right side e is the constant, so e x equal to 0 have to substitute in the both sides. E value some determinant will get in terms of constants. So obviously a into 0 0 plus b into 0 0 plus c into 0 0 plus d into 0 0 plus e equal to directly I have substitute 0 plus 0 plus 1 1, 0 plus 1 1, 2 into 0 0 minus 3 minus 3, 0 minus 1 minus 1, 0 plus 2 2, 0 minus 1 minus 1, 0 plus 0 plus 1 1, 0 plus 3 is 3, 0 plus 4 is 4. So you have to find the determinant. 1 into 8 plus 3, middle element you can take the opposite, minus 1 into 4, minus 4 plus 1, minus 3 into closer or closed column, minus 1 into 3 minus 3 minus 2. So obviously e value is 8 plus 3 is 11, minus 4 plus 1 is a minus 3, minus into minus plus 3, minus 3 minus 2 is minus 5, minus 3 into minus 5 minus 15, minus into minus plus 15. So obviously 14, 29 is the answer. Copy it. Yes, one more thing, Nana. Don't miss the next class. Next class miss avvadandi. I will explain the one important topic to find the inverse of the given matrix and adjoint of the given matrix. Inversion method and adjoint method. Both I will explain. Don't miss the class. Miss అయితే ఆ కాన్సెప్ట్ అర్థం కాదన్నా will lose one LAQs in the IPE and one method in the object. Okay na? Don't miss the class. Stay home, stay safe, and all the best for you.